I remember the first summer we met like it was yesterday. The late night adventures, not going home until the morning. The long summer days stopping at Bubble Island for bubble tea and mochi. And the last minute homework sessions where you would end up doing the work for me.
I've dreamt of this day my whole life. And 2,592 days ago, when we first met, I got a glimpse of what forever could be like with you by my side.
I'm not really sure what I would do without you. You've been my rock since the beginning, the person I can count on 1,000% of the time. I love you with all my heart. Words and actions will never express the amount of love I have for you.
That first day we hung out on top of Chippewa, I felt a calming presence. The conversation was easy. You made me feel special. You made the little moments meaningful from the very beginning.
Here in forward motion, talking it over.
At the end of the day, I'm blessed to have the honor of calling Amanda one of my best friends. She is kind, loyal, giving, and selfless, and she's the type of person that celebrates every step of life with you, no matter how small it is. Amanda has a way of brightening up the room and changing the tone just by being there with her bubbly personality.
You have taken on the biggest big brother role like a champ, making sure mine and Lala needs and wants are met. Your kindness always proves you are the bigger person. You are my golden boy.
For 24 years, 10 months, 25 days ago, I knew someday that this would be the day when my daughter would find her perfect other half. And Emiliano is definitely that. But Emiliano has been something that I've realized I didn't know I'd ever be able to find in it. Somebody who makes my princess glow. Mr. and Mrs. Canales.
I love your eagerness to live life to the fullest. I admire your free spirit that allows you to be more present and try new things, and I appreciate the way you bring out those traits in me that often get buried inside of me.
When Jeremiah passed away, it was when I truly knew he'd be mine forever. It was the first time I had experienced something unexpected like that. It was the worst thing I had ever experienced in my life. That moment at times feel like a blur, but the one thing I will never forget is how much you were there for me.
And today and forever, I give you my heart, my soul, and my trust. I cherish that not only did we get to grow up together, but we're blessed enough to get to grow old together too.
I'll never forget the way you looked at me. I could never forget the way you look at me.
As we open the doors to the next chapter in our life, I look forward to living life to the fullest with you by traveling, following our dreams, and building the life and family we dream of.
I look forward to all that our future will bring and the life that we will continue to build together. I love you, Emiliano, till my very last day.
In a mall, I saw you in the perfect light. I'll never forget the way you looked at me. I could never forget the way